colors automatically bring a smile on our face. It is a Hindu festival and it basically welcomes the spring. It is celebrated for 2 days. The first day is Holika Dahan. The other day is, we play Rangwali Holi, wherein we throw colors on each other. And it is basically a celebration of fertility, love, and it marks a victory of good over evil. So this is all Holi about. When we started traditionally, it was used to play by flowers. And to make it more feasible, it was turned into powder, which is known as gulal. So obviously we can play with gulals. It's a dry Holi, we say it. And when it mixed with water, you can use then water guns or the water balloons to throw on each other, and it's become more crazy, Yeah.
And it's about getting families and different communities together?
Yes, I mean, if you ask me what does Holi mean to me, is like it is like I'm from India, based in UK, and when we come here, we have people from different countries and backgrounds, and we all get together, to celebrate this festival, and we all have different cultures. All cultures, they have different stories of like why do they celebrate Holi, but the message is common, and the message is all about spreading love and positivity here. Say the Holi cannot be completed, without the lovely food and the yum Indian sweets and lots of colors, and which bring us together. Today I've called some of my friends over here, and if you see, some of them are Gujarati, some of them are Punjabi, some of them are Sikh, and so it's like different culture under one roof, and we are going to celebrate together.
And how important is Holi to you and your family and friends?
It is very important. It is really important. We really look forward for the whole year for this event. Not only because it's a fun event, but it also signifies, it spread out some message that whatever grudges or whatever things what we have been, if we have it for some other people, we should solve all these on this occasion and spread love. And it's very important, especially my daughter. She really look forward to play with colors and everything. And being a dance instructor, it's like it's a lovely way to get all the kids connected, and we dance on the numbers, Bollywood numbers, because Holi can't be completed without colors and the drum beats. There should be high drum beats, and we should have a good Bollywood numbers. Yeah. The Holi can't be complete without the Indian food and the sweet dish. So we have made the aloo tikkis today and suji ka halwa. There is some upma, sivaiya, poha, pasta, and spring rolls for the kids. So there are lots to eat.
कयो रे मंगे जड़ सहा
होलिया में उड़े रे गुलाल कयो रे मंगे तर से
होलिया में उड़े गुलाल कयो रे मंगे जड़ सहा
होलिया में उड़े रे गुलाल कयो रे मंगे तर से
मारी मंगे तर चुड़ला वाली मारी मंगे तर चुड़ला वाली रे
घड़िया वालो रे नवाब कयो रे मंगे तर से घड़िया वालो रे नवाब कयो रे मंगे तर से
होलिया में उड़े गुलाल कयो रे मंगे तर से
होलिया में उड़े रे गुलाल कयो रे मंगे तर से
मारी मंगेतर नचनी वाली मारी मंगेतर मारी मंगेतर नचनी वाली
रे ऊंचा वालो रे नवाब कयो रे मंगे तर से ऊंचा वालो रे नवाब कयो रे मंगे तर से
होलिया में उड़े गुलाल कयो रे मंगेतर से
होलिया में उड़े रे गुलाल कयो रे मंगे तर से
मारी मंगेतर पायल वाली मारी मंगेतर
क्या वालो रे नवाब कयो रे मंगे तर से हो क्या वालो रे नवाब कयो रे मंगे तर से
होलिया में उड़े गुलाल कयो रे मंगेतर से
होलिया में उड़े रे गुलाल कयो रे मंगे तर से
मारी मंगेतर नगरा वाली मारी मंगेतर मारी मंगेतर नगरा वाली
रे पीछे भागे रे नवाब कयो रे मंगे तर से पीछे भागे रे नवाब कयो रे मंगे तर से कयो रे मंगे
Happy